Nomor kuma zaman dari sini tipe lain sampai. Ay, bete. Tipe lain. Sampai, jodoh. Kubini pada BJP CPM yang akan fajar tipe lain asal, yang akan fajar asal khabar kubai lam sogo. Tipe lain sampai. Tipe lain sampai. Yang kita orang di sini tipe lain FT long left. Yang ada FT long left. IWP long left. Abisha long left. Tipe lain sampai. Tipe lain sana bagai pada malam di sini lagi payment.
Laitanai mas koni ketam rombui sarati purawo kubuni party ya kari sini party IPF to jo dan khaimani eba joining program khaimani abo thaklaya cholin tangu tini oro purbo nuwa wadiwo Kasih joining program, ini joining program orang kini 19 परिवार ni 59 voter, विशेष लगी CPM या करे, BJP या करे, चीनी पार्टी को फाये, तो बरलेन आंदोलनों बरो शामिलुं फाया, जों पार्टी ने उंगुई, और जों खाओं नहीं तंगो Presiden, tai General Secretary, tai Kubuni Adong Rok, MLA Rok Tongo, tai Kubuni Minister Rok ni Busukang Tei, Jong Tini, Bongno, Tini Bana, IPF Tini Bana, Yapari, Jong Bongno Tini Kawai Kubai, Ram Sosuka, Aram Busing Beslay, BJP ni Kormo Korta Tongo, Bo Badol de Burma, Tai Tongo, CPM ni Nirbasita Sorisho, Village Committee Sorisho. Bongka ini Horipur de Burma Bosoho kini hojon kerja abo sarati beran pakai bisnis lagi sodor utor bono nonton pakai kubata ucapani bekar manusia jago jadi sarati berani cini adibasi janogosti borok jotono tabu thanca unggui ya pribaksa unggui agama dino kaham kai coba kai tangai kemudian ada kalian ebong biswang ni je coba mana election aru je kono babai ho au khomulungo taklai IPF ti election kaplai ngoi aru khomata dokol kanai aboner samai tin tanglaicha asuno hambai.
Good afternoon everybody. Today once again 9th July 2020 we have a joining program in the presence of our President N.C. Deborma here in Sodor North, Purbo Nawabadi, Toktu Bazar, under Sodor subdivision. We have a 19 family and 59 voters. Especially I give my thanks and regard Mr. Badol Deborma. He's a BJP leaders in this locality, and also we have an elected member, Horipur Deborma. He's an elected member of CPIM. In their leadership, they have joined our party, IPFT, and from today onward, they are joining our family. They'll become IPFT family, and as you know, in whole over Tripura, not only in this Sodor subdivision, all over Tripura, there are continuous joining program from different party, especially from BJP, Congress, CPM, are joining to our party IPFT. It is sign of our progress, and people are expecting us that IPFT is the only party in Tripura. We are a recognized party in Tripura, can struggle, can fight for the people, for the cause of the people. There is a realization of the people of Tripura. Therefore, not only tribal, even non-tribal, and other minority group also joining our party day by day, and we are hopeful in coming election, this election, definitely IPFT party will perform well in the election, and we are planning to have from the government, IPFT will get majority, That is what we're expecting. And this is a sign of progress. Every day we are getting support from different angle, from different party. Therefore, I congratulate today our Honorable President N.C. Debbarma was present in this joining program. And I thanks especially the newcomers who are joining our family today. We'll look after them and we'll guide them and we'll treat them as our family members. Thank you.